What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Bald. Just wanted to talk about an item I picked up on Amazon, and I picked it up because I'm working from home. If you've seen the other video, I was working from home for a little bit, left my job in April, 17th of April, and now it is July 22nd, so I've been off enjoying all that time, still collecting severance pay from my last company I was at for 17 years. So they pay me till 2021, but old buddy is a manager at a spot, and he offered me a position, and now I'm about to start work again on the 3rd of August. So I needed a desk. I don't have a desk, and I'm in the game room, just a room, TV on the wall, that good stuff. I'm just in here, and I didn't want to buy a whole desk. I'm not going to be working home forever, I don't think, unless this virus doesn't go away. So anyway, this was a little bit under 50 bucks. And it is a table that many of you have probably seen many a times. Well, it's on the ground, so it has a connector right there. There we go, it's connected. All right, so it's not that heavy. It's portable, it's mobile. That's why I picked it up, because it's not that big. Just a small table. But when I need to, what I can do is this. I'm just gonna do this with one hand. It's just a quick video. It's a lifetime. Open it up, swing it around. You have a button right there, you can lock it, and it's your typical table. So obviously, this is nothing special, but I wanted to show you, a easy way to make a desk without having to buy a full $300 desk. You just set it up like that, push it over, and this is my workstation. I'll probably put a rubber mat on top of this table while I'm working, or a towel, because I will have a computer, but it will be a laptop with 2 monitors. So there you go. And sitting, if I was in a chair right now, you have plenty of leg room. It's the height of a normal desk. That's what I like about it. So it's the table you could use for anything. It's the height of a normal desk, and you're good to go. So I could set my computer right here, monitor right there, paperwork over here, I'm good to go. I can leave it set up that way, I can move it around easy, and when I'm not working from home, I don't need to do anything. I could fold this table right back up, put it in the corner, and forget it. Set it and forget it. So, this is going to be versatile. Not only did I get this just for a desk, it's nifty to have this table for when I have people over, when I have company over, set up in the backyard. Maybe a little beer pong action, look at that. Set some cups up, have a good time, but I'm going to use it as a desk. And then, of course, it's a table that you can use for really anything. I don't know if anybody else has used this for a desk or not, but this is going to be my desk. It's a cheap desk, under 50 bucks. Like I said, Amazon shipped it to me, high stars. And when I'm not using it, like I said, close it right up, unlock it, and you're good to go. Small, nimble, and I think that was a good investment. Hopefully the camera didn't go upside down on you guys for too long. Anyway, like I said, just wanted to make a quick video of the lifetime table that I picked up. I actually have another lifetime table outside. It's huge. It's triple this size, real thick. So I fold it up, put it in the corner, and but you can't fold it like this. So I do like this one, because you can fold it and move it around, throw it in the truck, throw it in the car, wherever you want to go, set it up anywhere. But that will be my next desk, and I look forward to working from home in this game room. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later, and gals.